Hello and welcome to today's maths video. This video is on the divisibility test of numbers. Now, divisibility test it helps us to find out if a number is divisible by another number. So now today we are going to study the divisibility test from 2 to 13. So divisibility test will tell you how to check if a number is divisible by any of the numbers between 2 to 13 without actually dividing the number. So first we will start from the divisibility test of 2. To check if a number is divisible by 2, it has to be even, or it has to end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. To check if a number has to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of the number have to be divisible by 3. Suppose you have the number 132. The sum of the digits is 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 6, which is divisible by 3. Now next we look at the divisibility test of 4. If we have to check if a number is divisible by 4, the last two digits of the number have to be divisible by 4. So in 124, the last two digits are 24, which is divisible by 4. If we have 1840, the last two digits are 40, which is divisible by 4. The divisibility test of 5, if a number ends with either 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Divisibility test of 6, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it's divisible by 6. Suppose you have 132, it's an even number, it's divisible by 2. And the sum of its digits is 6, which is divisible by 3. Since it's divisible by both 2 and 3, it's divisible by 6. Now let's look at the divisibility test of 7. If the last digit of the number, if you double the last digit of the number, let's take an example, 842. You double the last digit of the number, you will get 4. Now you will subtract 84 minus 4, that is 4 from 84. You get 80. So this is not divisible by 7, therefore the number is not divisible by 7. Suppose we have 343. We double the last digit. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 34 minus 6 is 28, which is divisible by 7. Let's look at the remaining divisibility tests. We'll erase this. Divisibility test of 8. If the last three digits of the number is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. Suppose you have 3024, the last three digits 024, it's divisible by 8. Therefore, the number is divisible by 8. Now, divisibility test of 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Suppose you have 154. This is 10, so it's not divisible by 9. Suppose you have 153. This is 9, the sum of the digits. So it's divisible by 9. For 10, if the last digit of the number is 0, it's divisible by 10. Let's look at the divisibility test of 11. Let's look at the number 1331. We will look at the digits in the odd places and the digits in the even places. So the digits in the odd places are 1 and 3. So we will add them. And digit in the even places are 3 and 1. We will add them. You get 4 in both the cases. Now we have to find the difference. So the difference has to be either 0 or a number divisible by 11. Then you can say that the number is divisible by 11. For 12, the number has to be divisible by both 3 and 4. Now let's look at the divisibility test of 13. (861). The last digit will be multiplied by 9. Suppose you have 1 into 9, it's 9. Now you will subtract from 86. Is 97 divisible by 13? No. So therefore the number is not divisible by 13. Let's look at another number. Last digit 9 into 9, 81. You're subtracting, you get 52. 52 is divisible by 13. Therefore, the number is divisible by 13. Now, we have seen the divisibility tests of numbers from 1 to 13. Hope you have understood and enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more videos.